How to buy Lensa Magic Avatar credits. Ready to create something stunning avatars with the Lensa? Let's dive in. First thing, you need to launch the Lensa app on your device. Once you are in, navigate to the dashboard where you will see some exciting features of the gallery section. Let's open the Lensa and go inside it. Once you're inside it, you'll be seeing this type of interface. Now, what you have to do is simply tap on the Magic Avatars, which is in between the photos and setting. Right over here, let's tap on it. Then, Lensa will prompt you to select 10 to 20 a similar number of selfies or photo of yourself. You can see a lot of our magic avatars right over here. There you can see an option for the popular, that means the most used avatars, and there's an option for your future baby girl, future baby boys, photo settings, cartoon and family, many more. Now what you have to do is you have to just choose the magic avatars in order to buy the credit. That means you don't have to buy the credit before making the magic avatar. You can just make the magic avatars and only after that you can buy the Lensa magic avatar credits. Okay, let's go to it. Let's make a font photo. You can see magic avatar for the font right over here. Let's tap on it. And here you can see, as I said earlier, you can just select up to 10 styles at a time. However, I'll be using only one style. So let's tap on the one style. Once inside it, you'll be directed to this type of section where you have to upload up to 4 pictures of the male and 4 pictures of the female with the criteria given. They shouldn't be sad in the face, it should be straight looking, and many more. You can check them just like this. Okay, let's tap on it, and here you can see the criteria. No angles, so the shadows, no high camera and face angle, bad light, face shadows and everything. Once you have uploaded the photos that is within the criteria, simply tap on start generating. It's right over here. Let's tap on it. And here you can see an exclusive perks that you can use in order to get the Lensa avatars. That somewhat is the credits. Here is the special member perks. You will get 100 fast avatars, advanced beauty filters and face editing. That is under the weekly plan where you have to pay $1.99 per week. That's the subscription fee. So that's it. In order to buy the credit, you have to subscribe to the Lensa app. Now what you have to do is simply tap on subscribe right over here. And then you have to add a payment method, that is you can add a credit card or debit card. Simply follow the rest process and you will be easily ready to make a magic avatars that you have desired. I hope this video helped, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.